So not just the step out, but the flea as well. And now Medet Kızı has to try to steal a point late. Does she? 4 is called for. We've got a white paddle. Time is out. According to the officials, then we will probably see the challenge coming from Kyrgyzstan. And there you see Medet Kızı pointing to her corner to press the button, the challenge button, and so close. So the key is the clock. They're looking to see if this action, yep. That was pretty quick.
Challenge on mat B. Look at the big screen. Time is here over. No point.
No step out,
Challenge
no throw.
Lost.
Challenge lost, so it'll officially be a 4-2 victory and a gold medal for Mongolia, earning her first senior continental gold medal. Devanasen Enk Onmor of Mongolia. The shrug, the step out, the caution on the flea, late heroics for your champion from Mongolia.